Hey everybody, Joey here. In today's video, I'm going to talk a little bit about Roadmaster's 154 part number, the universal wiring kit to tow a car behind your motorhome. This is a kit that a lot of people buy because it has everything you need to tow your car behind your motorhome when it comes to wiring it up to tow. So let's get right into it here. They provide you with 31 feet of wire to tow your car, so you can run it from the front to the back. And on the front, you would have this plug that you would hook up to if you were doing 4-wire flat. Now some people cut it and hook up 6-wire or 4-wire round plugs on there. That's up to you. You'll be able to read the instructions and see what you want to do. But it's on this, when it comes to this roll of wire, the white wire is your ground wire, the brown wire is going to be your tail lights, the yellow is going to be your left turn, and the green is going to be your right turn. So it also includes a patch cable to go in between the motorhome and the car itself, which is 4-wire flat. It includes a piece of loom, so you can slide this loom on there to make it look good on the front of your car so it's not sticking out like a sore thumb. It also includes the ground terminal right here, as you can see, and a bunch of zip ties. It includes 6 butt connectors. Now the 6 butt connectors are so that you can actually put the other plug on the back side of the motorhome. You would cut about 3 feet of this off, and I would recommend doing it after you've already wired the car up and just use whatever you have left over, and you'll be able to tie into the wiring system on the back of the motorhome and use these 6 butt connectors over here. Now it comes with 4 diodes. You're going to put 2 on each side. If you have combined brake and turn on your car, you'll use 1 for tail light and you'll use 1 of them for the brake light. So you'll want to have somebody sit inside the car and you'll want to test that wire to make sure it's the brake light, and the same with the tail light itself. Now it also will get the turn signal through the brake light wire as well. That's where the combined comes into play there. So you have 2 on each side. It also comes with some instructions. They're very detailed. They come with 2 different pictures. One, how to wire it if your car is combined. One, how to wire it if your car is separate. There's a few other things in there, some tips and tricks. Roadmaster has provided us with some very detailed instructions, and it makes it very easy for the do-it-yourselfer to get this job done on your car. We will provide a link below if you guys are interested in purchasing this product, or maybe you want to learn more about it. Also feel free to comment below and we can answer any questions you may have about it. But until next time, safe travels and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.